Hey, welcome everyone to another episode of Enjoy Tech, or if you're watching from J to the Low. I received a package yesterday. Drum roll. Nah, that's cool. Yeah. So I'm just gonna unbox this, and I think you guys know what it is based on the title of this video. Yep. So I'm from New Zealand, Malaysian by birth, and I like tech stuff, but it can be a really expensive hobby. But for you guys who wants to buy this phone, I think you probably have watched tons of it. I have, and I have discounts because I work for Samsung's partner customer. So alright, yep, cool. Alright, yeah, Samsung box used to be like inside black, looks really premium, nice packaging, scan me, blah blah blah, customer care plus. Thank you very much, Samsung. Alright, going through all these things. Nice packaging, cushioning, so kudos to Samsung. And they have this netting-ish thing. Oops. Alright, it's not coming up. Okay. Alright, so put the box away, put this cushioning thing away. I can use it for packaging in future. Alright, and for you guys, if you're watching from my hometown, Malaysia, apa khabar, and terima kasih tonton channel saya Enjoy Tech atau J to the Low. For you guys from Indonesia, things similar. Alright, so this is just the unboxing, and I'll do one for the setup. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so I bought two, just this case. It's called a flip suitcase. Cool, and this is the phone. Really interesting, almost like a matte-ish. Used to be like really smooth and shiny, but matte-ish. So that's cool. I'll be back. Oh, you probably can't hear what I'm watching. Alright, so I also I bought a ESR tempered glass screen protector as well, which I will do it, but today it's not the accessories. Let's see for the phone. Alright, so usually this is just personal preference. I just like to open one side so that the other side is still remain stick. Alright, I think this is originally done by Apple. Anyway, so the color that I got was the Samsung online exclusive, which is they call it pink gold. It just looks gold. Okay, alright. Okay, and alright, I'll put this one back here. And what do you get in here? Yep, USB-C cable and some, nothing too much really. There's no case, no nothing. Yep, some manual, USB-C to C cable, and that's it. Alright, so thank you for watching, and on the next video I will do the setting up and putting the case together. Actually, maybe I'll do that the next one. Alright, thank you so much. Peace.